This week I am testing the Mitsubishi Triton dual cab ute. This is the GSR model, and on the roof I have got the Taller Wing Bar Evo roof rack with the Taller foot pack and Taller fit kit. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Taller. Now the new Triton does look quite different to its predecessor, with this much wider and boxier shape at the front here. Also, this GSR model has a lot of this black plastic styling all over it. Round at the back here, I actually love this styling bar. Aesthetically, it looks great in combination with the rest of the black on the vehicle, but actually, for a practical family perspective, it provides a lot of shade for those little passengers inside, especially ones in rear-facing infant capsules. It really helps to keep the sun from coming straight through that rear windscreen and onto them. The tray door of the Triton ute is incredibly heavy. Now, you just have to be aware with the utes, especially my daughter's 4, and that's about her head height. So you just got to be careful when you're doing that you haven't got your kids around. Now, let's find out how the taller prams fit in the tray. The tray of the Mitsubishi Triton will hold 26 shopping bags, or the taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the tray of the Mitsubishi Triton with 18 shopping bags. The taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the tray with 18 shopping bags. And the taller, sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the tray of the Mitsubishi Triton side by side with 14 shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 single ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the tray with 14 shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 3 twin side-by-side ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the tray with 14 shopping bags. Or the taller spring lightweight and one-handed folded stroller fits in the tray of the Mitsubishi Triton with 20 shopping bags. Or you can fit 2 90-litre, 2 70-litre and 2 40-litre taller chasm duffel bags, or a very large dog. Now I have got the Taller Wing Bar Evo roof rack on the roof here, and that's using the new Taller foot pack and fit pack. The fitting kit has Triton-specific rubber pads that contour the roof, and combined with the torque-limited Allen key and factory mounting points, it gives the perfect attachment. It's almost impossible to mount the racks incorrectly. Did you know Taller offers a simplified load rating and provides same rating for on- and off-road use? The Taller foot pack mounting system can be integrated with the Taller caprock roof platform at a later date, without the need to buy new components. In the front of the Triton, it's really nice and comfortable, and it's been nicely modernised. It does have my favourite features in the front here: cup holders on the dash. There's one at either end. Really nice and easy to reach your drinks while you're driving along. There are also 2 cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a small central console box, and in front of the gear lever is a phone charging pad. There's also USB, USB-C and 12-volt socket there for charging. There are 2 glove boxes in the front of the Triton. They will hold, probably best for phones, in the top glove box, and the bottom one will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual. There is a glasses case in the ceiling that's lined so your lenses don't scratch, and the visors in the front here have mirrors, but they're not lit. The door bins in the front are really good size. They will hold a refillable water bottle and an iPad and wallet fit in them, and the little handle wells too. The new Mitsubishi Triton dual cab ute has a 5-star ANCAP crash safety rating, scoring 89% for child occupancy and 86% for adult occupancy, which is really good. It does have 8 airbags as standard, including side airbags that extend to the rear, so your side rear passengers are looked after, and also a central front airbag that comes down in the middle here to prevent heads hitting together in the event of an accident. The Triton now has a 9-inch media screen and a new modern system that has a wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. Now, when it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Mitsubishi Triton dual cab, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They are not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. Now, the top tether anchorages in here, they are only for the 2 outer rear seats. There's none for the central seat, so you cannot install a child seat there. The top tethers have changed to the previous model, unfortunately, so they are fabric loops behind the outer headrests. You post your top tether strap through there and across to the metal anchorage that is behind the central seat headrest. Now, it's not ideal, but it definitely can be done. Now, interior space has been increased in the Triton. Not only has the legroom increased, but also the width in here, which is a really welcome personal space when travelling with families. We found that with a rear-facing infant capsule, we could fit about a 182 centimetre driver in front, which is really good. And with forward-facing child seats, we can fit even taller passengers in the front. Now, for passengers in the back of the Triton, it's really nice and comfortable. There are handles above the rear seats, so you can hang a toy on there for rear-facing infants in capsules to keep them amused on long journeys. There are also aircon vents in the ceiling, which are fantastic for keeping your little passengers in the back nice and comfortable while driving. There is a central light, and with that light are the controls for the rear aircon. So you do have to kind of set that before you get going. Storage in the back is good. There is a fold down in the central seat backrest with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, or a child's drink cup fits in them too. There are mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold an iPad, and the door bins in the back are good too. They will hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. And there's the little handle wells in the doors as well. There is 12-volt and USB-C sockets in the back of the central console box, so rear passengers can charge devices while driving along. The Mitsubishi Triton GSR model is really nice to drive. I've had this for a couple of weeks, so I've actually done quite a lot of driving in it. I've also towed with it, which has been really good. Now, I towed the caravan with this for a really long way. It's got 3.5 tonne towing capacity. It was really nice and easy. And I found that these big side mirrors, I obviously had towing mirrors on as well, but these big side mirrors made visibility really good. Also, talking about visibility, even with the 2 child seats in the back, you can see really nice and clearly out of that back windscreen, which is great. Now, the turning circle is also really nice and tight in here. It's really surprising for a big ute, and the steering's really nice and light too. So it's really easy to turn and park and manoeuvre in tight school and supermarket car parks and places like that. So to sum up the Mitsubishi Triton GSR dual cab ute, it does make a fantastic family baby drive. You can now only fit 2 child seats in the back, and they've got rid of that fantastic top tether attachment system they had in the previous model. However, the increased legroom and personal space of the interior is really welcome for families. The tray space is fantastic, and having the taller Wing Bar Evo roof rack on the roof makes camping and family holidays really nice and practical. The cameras in here and media screen are fantastic, and the drive is also.